We should do a news crew.
Right? You'll be the reporter recording.
You're gonna be the reporter. You're pretty good at the thing. Hey, you wanna do a sample? I'm gonna send this to you.
Alright.
Just send me your email. You have a Google Drive, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just send it to your Google Drive of the video.
Okay.
You want a sample?
Alright.
And I'll say, what's up, guys? My name is Red Ice 415. I'm here in Daly City, reporting to you live.
Alright.
Let's see. Oh yeah, the lighting's pretty good. Yeah, it's perfect. Go over here.
Okay. Alright.
Ready? Action.
Alright, it's your boy Red Eyes. I'm over here with the homie Sega Speed. We're here at the Richie car meet. We're here checking out the cars, you know, dope build. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget
to subscribe, like, and check out our Instagrams, Red Eyes 415 and Saga Speed. Yeah.
All right, that's all they practice. Do it again, bro.
All right, man.
All right. Don't be nervous, man.
Yeah, I get more nervous when somebody's recording me than when I'm doing it. It's a little different, you know.
I know, right? All right. Yeah. Let me know when you're ready. I'm just gonna be here. Freaking awesome view, right? Hopefully the scene will be better, man.
Yeah.
I think it looks better. Less noise. Are you ready? You know your line? It's hard to be a YouTuber, man.
Yeah.
That's why I don't do vlogs, man.
Yeah. It took me a long time.
You're doing way better than I do.
Yeah. All right.
You ready?
All right. Ready. Yeah. What's going on, guys? We're right here at the car meet. We're here with the homie recording me, Saga Speed. We're checking out the Richie car meet. You guys see the cars. We got some dope content for you guys. You can see that they already left, but we got some videos. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe to our Instagram page. Like I said, Red Eyes 415, and this is Saga Speed. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching.
Man, hopefully it'll turn out good.
All right. Guys, so we're out here at the car meet, watching the homie Saga do his work. I didn't expect to see him here, but he showed up.
It's the wifey.
Oh, damn, man. Time to go, huh? Oh, shit. It's not a bad turnout. Bunch of cars here. Oh no. I was going to take pictures of that car. Fucking dope. CRV. You guys are leaving. Sideshow time or what? Yeah. I guess meet's over. I don't know what the fuck happened. is leaving now. Oh shit. Wait. Sucks that the video can't get the cut. You can kind of see it. Oh shit. Let me get out of this guy's way. Yeah.
He's in a perfect spot, you know? Perfect
Yeah, dude. Perfect lighting. Pictures.
He knows how to park.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kind of worried because I'm not using slow motion right now. I don't know if it's gonna be.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
But if you just use a slow motion,
Yeah, it messes with it
it
too.
goes down because of the low light.
Yeah. Damn. There's not money cars, but some dope cars. Race car. Some monsters. Wow. Thing's so clean. It's got the M3 engine in it. Shit's so clean. Is that yours too, or?
Yeah, it's yours, right?
Oh, it's yours? It's not yours?
Car. I'm just trying to learn about stuff.
Yeah. Dude, this one's clean too.
I think that's somebody who works here. I don't know.
Oh, okay. It was just randomly parked.
Coincidence.
Oh, okay. Shit. Where's the Mustang is trying to fuck shit up? Damn. Oh shit.
Is that cooling?
I don't know. It's the tail light on this thing though.
Better not.
Yeah, just.
Oh, it's just condensation.
Yeah. Oh, we're good.
Yeah,
You're
do a little
good.
taste test, you know?
Yeah. That's cool. Hell yeah. We're good, dude. Damn.
I just rebuilt the head on this thing, so
Oh yeah.
yeah, I was scared it was cooling again.
Oh, okay.
It's fucking-
That's fucking sick. Big ass engine. Damn. Shit. Dope rap cars. Got the splitter, you can kind of see it.
Because Brendan, like, I know with the guy that last time he finished working,
Got the homie mic.
because like now,
Because it was a surprise.
yeah,
I fucking hate surprises.
and now I gotta figure out what to do.
Just clean as a pork fly. Yee, in the wagon. All dirty and shit, but still here in the white. We don't want to get out for the meat. On TikTok. No. Yee.
Got some already.
The home Red Fire garage there over there. It's a pretty good turnout. GTR's leaving. Mustang's leaving.
There's another car meet already over there, so
Oh, okay.
it's Bethmo San Bruno.
San Bruno?
So it's like not that far, it's like a couple of exits.
Oh, okay, for sure. Alright, dude. We'll see you there.
I know what I'm trying to.
Yeah. Hey, let's hear it one more time. Huh? Shit. Alright. We'll follow you guys. another one. Get some food and then go over there. We might be getting shut down. Who knows? Maybe he's cool with that. But we ain't even doing shit.
Eating Wingstop.
Or should he come? Or maybe because the thing. Where's he going over there? I guess everybody's coming back. Alright, peace out, man. Eee. Peace out. Yeah, the homies from Rat Pack. Oh shit. Get the fuck out of here. Eee. That shit was sick, guys. That's it for today's video. Gotta go home. Some chillax time with the wife. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Wait. Oh.
1, 2, go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marcus. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Hey, blow on it. Blow it. That's your favorite one?
You gotta blow it out.
Yeah, blow on it. Hey, you missed one. What the fuck? Hey, what the fuck?
And that one.
Hey, you wish ain't coming through. Hey, you gotta bite it too.
Which one?
Oh, watch out for the
You gotta choke on this one. Oh, you can bite on that one. Yeah, that's a good idea too. It's tempting, huh? Bite the tape, bro.
You broke it.
Hey, you got blue balls, so.
This is what was in the fridge. Yeah. That's why you couldn't.
Yeah. You would have ate it before.
No gag reflexes.
But come here.
Yeah, we're making you do all the work, bitch.
You have to do something.
I'm not cooking.
I drink beer.
You drink beer. Baldy. Just nibble on it.
Just a tip.
Just just lick it. Oh. Oh. How far can you take it? How much can you take away? Oh. Damn, bro.
$50
Yeah.
for the blue point. But it's the individual ones, not the ones like mine.
Started on the wagon. Been out for a while. Damn, the compa brought the fucking beer.
Now I know how to do without the pins because like on the Honda one's hell easy.
Ahora sí.
Oh, yeah.
Stop crying.
not
Drink
watching
some
do
beer. Oh shit. So this is the old starter.
Did we really go through 18 fucking Modelo?
It's probably 30 years old.
When you go back home, Gino?
And the homie. Oh shit, thank you. Dude.
Tomorrow?
We're putting
Well,
them
today,
in.
tomorrow.
They did.
Let's go.
Yee! Guys, so that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Guys, stop screaming! I'm trying to record. Sorry, my kid's pretty loud, but anyways, thank you guys for watching. Shout out to the homie Speed Saga for recording the intro. That shit was sick. You know, I'm just gonna start recording on my camera instead of my GoPro from now on. But anyways, thank you Richie Mo for inviting me to the meet. That shit was sick. Has a lot of dope cars. Can't wait for the next one. And also, I showed a little clip of the homie's birthday, you know, little gathering. It was cool. I didn't want to record too much because we were, you know, just having fun. Didn't want to be, you know, just have the camera in everybody's face. But anyways, thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, anything. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Yee!